Hello everyone, welcome to Mic Draft and Strength. So this is our third problem on orthographic projection. We have to draw the front view, top view and the side view of this object by first angle projection method. So we have to draw the first angle projection method. So for first angle projection, front view, it is above XY line, then top view, it is below XY line. So front view looking in the direction X means this, and the side view, so this is our side view. So side view, it is left hand side view. So we have always draw the left hand side view, it is always to the right of the front view. So we have to draw the left hand side view here. So this is the position of our first angle projection for this object. Front view above, top view below, and this is left hand side view. Okay. So for front view, always we get length and the total height of the object. So how to calculate the total length and the height of the object? So let's see. So first of all, we will calculate the total length. So total length is equal to the front view looking in the direction X means this is our length. This is our length, total length, and this is our height. Okay. So total length is equal to first of all start from this. So the radius is equal to 30. So length is equal to 30 plus this is 25. So 25 plus this 20 up to center point. So 20 plus remaining this radius. So total radius is equal to 5, it is 60, means radius is equal to 30. So the total length is equal to 105. The next total height is equal to, so for total height, here from center point to center point distance is given, it is 105. So first of all take this 105 plus remaining this above radius, it's 30 plus below radius of this cylindrical shape, so it is again 30. So it is equal to 105 plus 30 plus 30, it is equal to 165. The next total width is equal to, here the total width is equal to 60. So this is our basic calculation which is required to draw the orthographic projection. So let's start our actual construction. Let's start our actual construction. First of all, draw the rough box so you will get a clear idea that our front view will get fit in that box. So the total length of the object is equal to 165 and the length is equal to 105. So make a rough box. Then let's start with the lower cylindrical part. First of all, mark a center point to draw the circle, because from the front view looking in the direction X we will only see the circles. So mark center point and draw the circle of radius 30 and radius, inner circle radius, it is 22. So draw these two circles first. Then next move towards the upper cylindrical part. So the radius of the upper cylindrical part, it is 30. So the total diameter is equal to 60. Mark 60 from upper direction, and the width of the cylinder, it is 30. So mark that 30. Always remember one thing, that nothing is missing here. All the dimensions are there. You just have to connect the measurements logically and dimensions will become clear. So draw the upper cylindrical part, front view. Next, move towards the semi-cylindrical slab. The thickness of the semi-cylindrical slab, it is equal to 15. So mark the 15, and the total length is equal to 25. But the semi-cylindrical slab also, that curves are converted into the horizontal line in the front view. So draw the front view of that semi-cylindrical slab. And for the front view, one thing is remaining, that is rib. draw the rib which is connected to the lower cylindrical part, and our front view, that visible part of the front view, is clear. Here I missed recording the step where the hidden part are drawn, so sorry for that. There are the two holes which are not visible from the front view. That is, first it is upper cylindrical portion inner circle and the horizontal semicircular slab inner circle. These two circles are not visible, or the two holes which are not visible from the front view, so draw it with a, or mention it with a dotted lines. And the last step, mention the dimensions. Follow the rules while giving dimensions. First, give overall dimensions first. Then second, avoid repeating dimensions. Third, do not give dimensions to hidden lines at all. Then fourth, place dimensions clearly and preferably outside the object. So this part of the recording is a bit flashy, not very clear. I think it's because of recording mistakes, so bear with me for this. Next, move towards the top view. So for top view, take a projection from the front view, so you will get a length, and for top view, width is equal to 60. So mark 60 and make a rough box, so our top view will get fit in this box. While recording, I forget to show the front view when I was drawing the top view. So projections are taken from the front view, but only the top view is visible here. Please consider this and follow the explanation only. I will correct this in a next video. Okay, so first of all, started with a horizontal semicircular slab. So draw this semicircle and the inner circle also. So our semicircular cylindrical slab is get complete. Next, move towards the upper cylindrical part. So the width of the upper cylindrical part is 30. Okay, so mark 30 and take a projection from the front view. Next, move towards the lower cylindrical part. So draw the vertical line, that is the outer line of the cylindrical part, and there is one inner curve which is not visible from the top view, so show it with a dotted line. Again, there is a inner hole, that is 40 mm diameter circle, so show it again with a hidden lines, that is dotted lines. Next, there is another one hollow section in upper cylindrical part. So draw a center line and mark 15-15 from the both side of the center line. So we will get the hidden portion of the hollow cylindrical part. Next, remaining portion is the rib. Draw the rib. Thickness of that rib is 12 mm. So mark 6 mm 6 mm to the both side of the center line and draw the rib which is visible from the top view. The inclined lines are converted into the straight lines. So here, almost here our top view is done. So mark the top view and mark all the dimensions. And the last step, mention the dimensions correctly in the top view, and our top view will get finished. Next, move towards the side view. Next, so let's start left hand side view. For left hand side view, take a projection from top view and from front view and draw a rough box again. The height is equal to 165 and the width is equal to 60. So let's start it with the upper cylindrical portion. Draw a circles which are easily visible from the side view, that the radius is equal to 60 and the radius is equal to 15. inner circle radius. So draw this. First of all, make a center point and draw the circles. One hidden line was missing in a top view, so it is indicated by using a graphical element, and also I attached one photo so you can easily understand what is the position of that hidden line. So let's start again with a side view. So here our circles are get complete. Then next move towards the lower cylindrical part. So from the side view it will looks like a rectangle. So take a position from the front view and draw the side view of a cylindrical part. Then next again take a projections and draw a center line. Next move towards the rib. So here you can easily take a projections from the top view, so you will get a rib. Draw the rib. Next move towards the lower cylindrical part. There is a hollow section, so mention it with the hidden lines or the dotted lines. Next, the back section of the semicircular plate. So again we can't see it from the side view, so draw with a dotted line, and again take a projection from a top view of a circle and mention it with the dotted lines or the hidden lines. So here our side view is get completed, and the last step is to draw the dimensions. If you like this kind of content related to engineering subject, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.